Better phone recorder app for Android. You can record any phone call you receive, even on WhatsApp. So this is better. Simply install it. After that, look here, I have recorded some calls and they have been recorded automatically. And if you have any clients or you want to store information for them, this is the best tool when you install it. What's the first thing you need to do? You should open CubeACR. Open it and click OK. You will see that you are asked to connect the Cube connector. You need to connect it. Click OK. Then you have to go to the accessibility settings on your Android. When there, you need to turn on CubeACR. You must enable it. It is written below. Once you find this, then you need to allow it. After allowing, you will see the logs of calls. Allow that as well. Click again on grant permission. Click next. Then it will be installed. Now, This will take you to another place, to a website. If you have Android, then simply pick this last option, download helper APK. Click on install helper. Okay. Allow everything, including media, photos, and access. Click on grant permission. And your app will be installed. Simply make a call on WhatsApp or anywhere. Your call will be recorded. Have a nice day.